2021 Genesis SUV. It came with a few scratches on the side. It's got a dip. We are one of the first body shop to repair one of these cars. I haven't seen anybody touch this car yet. But you know, when you're good, you're good. You get all the nice cars. GV80 Genesis is the first SUV the Genesis has been made. What we did, we got rid of all the scratches. We sanded, we've put some body filler inside all the line, which is what is scratched up. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna sand it off and get ready for the paint. The scratches on the door is done. We blend the front door. Everything was removed. We just put the top on. Now the door handle is ready to go in. As you see on the work, the paint work is beautiful. You don't see any more of scratches. People are scared. They think if they paint a car, it's going to be noticeable. No one is going to notice this car is being painted. Not even dealership, because the job is 100%. And we warranty the work when it goes back to the dealership. Another feature it has, this car is really, really interesting. Self-start. You can start the car like this. And self-park, which is by pressing the bottom, the car moves forward and it will self-drive for you. When it gets close to you, it will stop because of the sensor. That's it. And if you want to reverse it back, you just press one button. You have a free valet. Share this with you guys. If you want to see more video like this, go to our YouTube account, subscribe Powers Moto and click link bottom, and I'm going to show you more video every day. Thank you.